If you're struggling with hip osteoarthritis, you're getting some groin pain in and around this area, it's often because the hip muscles have become a bit weak and so you're unable to support the hip joint appropriately. So I've got 2 exercises that you can do here to start addressing that straight away. And they are kind of in the intermediate range now. So we're kind of pushing on past our basics and starting to get a bit more advanced with our exercising. The first exercise is this, in sitting. So in this position here, you can either use an exercise band or your hands. And in this position here, sit up nice and tall, hands block the knees and just push out into the knees, hold for a count, into the hands, push out for a count of 3 or 4 and relax. So go again, push and contract, 3, 2, 1 and relax. So I want you to do this for about 10 reps, have a little break and do it again. So that's the first stage. The second stage, you'll need something like a golf club. I've got a yoga block here, but a big book would suffice as well. So you put the leg to be worked on the block and then you stand up into this position. And the exercise is just to hitch the hip. So you need this just for stability. So look, I'm hitching. So this hip is coming up higher and then I'm dropping it down low, hitching all the way up and down low. So when we do this exercise, this muscle on this side has to work really hard to support the movement. And that's what we want. We want this isometric contraction. It just contracts to enable the other leg to do the work. And that produces some really great strength benefits. That's stage 1. So you do 10 of these, nice and controlled. If that's really easy, or you're not really feeling it loading in the hip, just put the leg out to the side a tiny bit and do the same movement. Look to do about 10 repetitions, have a short break, do 10 more. Give it a try. Let me know how you're going to get on in the comments. I'll be really interested to see how you find this one. And as always, if you want more information on staying fitter, stronger and healthier and reducing your pain, particularly for over 50s, please drop me a follow.